Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have done exercise 13.1 discussion, and now we will further our discussion with the laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. First thing we have seen is whenever, so please explain one part of question 7 and 8. Mokshita, which exercise you are saying, beta? 13.1. Hazel, your video is on. Okay, but Mokshita, I asked many times you didn't answer at that time. Okay, first let us solve the doubt of Mokshita. 13.1, question number 7. I think question number 7 and 8 is fixed in your mind that they are tough. That is why you are asking them again and again. Now we have to simplify in question number 7, and suppose you have the part fourth one. Please see, minus 2 power 3 into minus 10 power 3. Let us try to solve this. We can say minus 2 power 3 is same as minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into we have minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. I think this we have done this yesterday also. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So we have 3 negatives over here. It will remain. Then we have 10 multiplying 3 times. We have 1000 and we have a negative sign. No, it is not difficult, Mokshita. They are all easy. We just need to understand the concept. That's it. So 8 into 1000 is 8000. Negative and negative is making it positive. That's it. Let us take one question from 8 or also. Question number 8. Compare the following numbers. Okay. What do we have? We have to compare 4. Suppose second part I am taking. Let me tell you a hint for this question. 4 into 10 to the power 14 and 3 into 10 to the power 17. Class, the best way to compare these kind of numbers is to make 10 power same, if possible. Class, if possible, we should try to make the powers of 10 same. Can we reduce this to 14? Please tell me. Class, can we reduce this to 10 power 14? Yes, I can reduce. How? Let me show you. I can write this as 3 into 1000 into 10 to the power 14. Tell me if I am wrong. Please tell me if I am wrong. Please tell if I am wrong. Can I write like this? 10 power 17, can I write like this? Tell me. Okay. Okay, not understood. Let me tell you. What I am doing is 10 power 17 and we have 10 power 14 in the other thing. So I am trying to make the power same. I am trying to make the powers same. For that, I am taking or decreasing this power. How will I decrease? I can write 10 power 17 as 10 power 16 into 10. Class, any issue? Can we write like this? Because they are the same things only. Please tell. Similarly, I can write 10 power 17 as 10 power 15 into 100. Any problem? Rachit, try to understand. You will get. Don't worry. I'm just trying to write 10 power 17 as 10 power 14. That's it. Okay. So I am just writing like this. Similarly, if I write 10 power 17 as 10 power 14 into 10 power 3, will that be wrong? Please tell. If I write 10 power 17 as 10 power 14 into 10 power 3, will that be wrong? Ashmit, I'm just trying to, what you say, write the same number in different way. Or you can write 10 power 14 into 1000. They are the same thing. Okay. So we are just using the laws of exponents and trying to write the numbers in two ways. Why I am doing so? Let me show you. Again, I'm explaining. We had this question with us. We had to compare, one second, this number and this number. If you see 4 and 3, which one is larger, class? Please tell me. If you compare 4 and 3, 4 is larger. If you compare the powers of 10, which one is larger? 10 power 17 or 10 power 14? So we have a mixed thing. In first thing, it is larger, large in 4, and this is large in 10 power 17. Already we know this is larger, but because the exponent power is greater than the exponent power in second case, can we write like this? Okay, you can say, but sometimes you may do a mistake. So please tell Hazel to off the camera. Hazel, your camera is on, beta. Please check, close it. Now, let me tell you one more case. I give you a case. Three. Just answer me one thing. If you have 3 into 4 and you have 4 into 5, which number is larger, first or second? Please tell which number is larger, first or second? Second is larger. You can say 4 is more than 3, 4 is larger, and 5 is larger. So both the numbers are larger. Both quantities larger than, what do you say, the first case. Similarly, we can have one more thing like 2 into 3. We can have 1 into, suppose, 1.5. In this case, which one is larger? In this case, if you observe, this is also larger than this is also larger than this. So when both the quantities are larger, it is very easy to say it is large. But when there is a confusion, as in our question, you can see this quantity is larger on this side and this quantity is larger on this side. It may give you a problem. These kind of questions may give you a problem, so it is better to make them little bit like terms. It is better to make them like terms, and to make them like, I actually mean to make the 10 power same. Either you find the product and then compare, but that will be a very large process. So better you make the powers of 10 equal. If you are able to make the power of 10 equal, it will be easy for you to compare with the remaining things. So class, are you able to understand what I am trying to do in this question? Are you able to understand what I am trying to do? I am just trying to make the 10 power same so that we can compare the remaining things easily. So let us try. See. So here we have 10 power 14. Increasing 10 power 14 is difficult, but decreasing 10 power 17 is easy in comparison. So what I will do is, I will write this as it is, and I will write this number as 10 power 14 into 10 power 3. Please tell me, any issue? Can we write this like this? Can we write like this? Because we know when the bases are same, power will add, so we get the same number back. Now I will multiply 10 power 3 and 3. What will I get in the next step? I will get 3000 into 10 to the power 14. Now tell me class, is it easy to compare now? Is there any confusion now to compare? Because this part is exactly same. We just need to compare the remaining part. And obviously 3000 is more than 4, and that is why it is larger. But earlier we had a confusion. So how it became 3000? Rachit is asking. Rachit, 10 power 3 is equal to 1000. and I have multiplied this 1000 with 3, and that is why I got 3000. Okay, I hope Rachit it is clear to you. I hope Rachit it is clear to you. Let me give you one more part because I think you people are getting it little tough. So let me solve first part also for you. I am solving the first part for you. Are we also taking 10 with power 3? Yes, beta, we are taking because we have written 10 power 17 as 10 power 14 into 10 power 3. That is why I have used this 10 power 3 with 3. Let me give you one more example, Rachit. Please see the first part given to us. I am giving you in my way. Okay, let's try. So suppose we have 2.9 into 10 to the power, suppose here it is 12, let me make it 11, and comparing with 1.5 into 10 to the power, suppose we have 7. Now tell me class, you all tell me how, which number is larger and how. In this case it is very easy to tell because 2.9 is larger than 1.5, 10 power 11 is larger than 10 power 7, so both the things are larger, both quantities larger, so we can say it is large. But if I want to solve by the previous way, how will we solve? If I want to solve by the previous way, by making 10 power same, what should I do? Please help. If I, what you say, if I'm thinking of making this 10 power 11 as 10 power 7, how should I write this number? Please tell me. What can I write for this? If I want to break 10 power 11, how should I break it so that the powers on both the sides become equal? Please help. You can make power as 4 and 1 as 7. Okay, others please try. How will you break 10 power 11 such that you can easily compare both the powers? Tushita, very good. Nana, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Okay. Now, you all are getting now this thing. So we can write this 10 power 11 as 10 power 7 into 10 power 4. Because you can see 7 plus 4 is actually 11. So we are correct. Now, we have got 10 power 7, 10 power 7. This is extra. Let us use it. Let us use this and say it is 2.9 into 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10 power 7, 1.5 into 10 power 7. And the answer is now, we know if you multiply this thing, we will get 29,000 into 10 power 7 and 1.5 into 10 power 7. And now you can see they are same. That means 29,000 is larger and we have got the answer. Is it clear to everyone? Absolutely, first one is bigger. Okay, so in case the question is impractical to solve, in that case only you will leave and you will tell the answer directly. But if possible, it is better to make the powers of 10 equal. Okay, so let us see the next concept now. And thank you, Mokshita, for asking this thing because they had doubts in this question. So let us see the laws of exponents now. So in laws of exponents, we have seen, sir, but we can directly say it was the first one. So, sir, why we take whole method? Rachit, actually, when the question is easy, it is easy to tell the answer. But I don't want you to just learn these two parts. I want you to be ready for any kind of question related to this one. Okay, that is why I gave you the method. Now, the laws of exponents, we have seen if we have two, suppose we have 2 power 3 into 2 power 4. Class, tell me what is the answer of this case. If we have 2 power 3, so when we multiply 10, 100,000, 10,000, and so on, decimal shifts to the left. Lavya, little bit mistake. When you multiply with these numbers, decimal shift to the right. Please check again. When you multiply with 10, 100,000, it actually shifts to the right. You can recheck. Okay. Don't tell me the answer, Tushita. Tell me the answer in exponential form only. What we do is we add the power. No, 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 not this way, not this way, not this way. Just see, if you have 2 power 3, 2 power 4, we can say the answer is 2 power. Yes, now you are correct. Tushita, Lavya correct. So we are just adding the powers. It becomes 2 power 7. So can I say a formula? If we have a power m into a power n, so when same base is getting multiplied, please tell me what will be the answer. If same bases are getting multiplied, what is the answer? A power. By observing these, we can say the answer will be a power m, but it is m plus n, not mn. M plus n. This is the formula. So when same bases are getting multiplied, powers will add. So now let me give you the next formula. The next formula is of division. Okay, I think you don't know the formula, but still let me help you with this one. The next formula is of division. Suppose we have the same example, class. Please help me with this one. We had the same example, 2 power 4 upon 2 power 3. What answer we will get? Please tell. Please tell what answer we will get. Yes, Bani is correct. Others, please try. Lavya, very good. Please tell. In terms of 2, what answer we will get? 2 power what? Good, Pushita. Ekta, very good. Mokshita, mistake is there, but here they are in division. Yes, Agneet is very correct. Here the powers will subtract, that is 4 minus 3, because they are in division, and the answer will be 2 power 1. Let me give you the complete solution. We can write 2 power 4 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 2 power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. And if you solve it, what will happen? That is why what is left? 2 power 1. So if you don't want to solve like this every time, you can use the formula that if same bases are getting divided, the powers will, class please tell, if the same bases are getting divided, the powers will, please answer, powers will subtract. So suppose I give you the formula a power m divided by a power n. Tell me, what will we get? Please help me, class. This is the second formula we are having. If we have a power m upon a power n, so but we can multiply powers and do them in lowest form. Okay, Ryan, in this case, we can, no, it is not n minus n, it is m minus n. The numerator is m, denominator is n, it becomes m minus n. Sir, please could you explain laws of exponents? But I'm doing that only. I'm trying to explain that only, Mokshita. Try to understand. What I did is I gave you the first law that if two same bases are getting multiplied, we will add the power on. Oh, Bani, actually it was not you. It was, I think, Tushita or someone else who wrote by mistake n minus n. That is why I interrupted. So I think Ryan was asking, na? Ryan, I told you when same bases are getting multiplied, what we do is we add the power and get the answer. Similarly, if same bases are getting divided, we write the answer as the base power subtraction of powers like this. This is a formula that we can use and directly tell the answer. If you want, you can solve normally also, but using the formulas make it easy. That's it. Let us see the third formula now. Power of power plus the third formula. Please tell me what is the answer of this thing. Please tell, try to solve this and tell me what is the answer, and then I will give you the formula that will make it easier. Yes, exponent will be subtracted. Sorry. Lavya, correct. Okay. If you see, we have the bracket 2 power 3 and we have learned from board mass. First we solve the brackets. So 2 power 3 can be seen as 8. 2 power 3 can be seen as 8 power 2. And now it is 64. Let us try to make it easy. If I say it is 2 power 3 to the 6, can we say they are the same things? Class, are they equal? So 2 power 3 whole power 2 can be written as 2 power 6 also because they are equal. Similarly, if you have 3 power 3 whole power 2, it can be written as, please tell, if we have 3 power 3 whole power 2, it can be written as 6. If we have 2 power 7 whole power 10, it means it can be written as 2 power 70. Yes, so this way we are reducing the work that we have to do. So we can say the formula is like this: a power m whole power n is equal to what? Please tell. A power m whole power n is equal to what? A power. Very good, Bani. Tushita good. Nana correct. Ashmit good. Others please try. We have seen power of power gets multiplied and the answer is a power mn. That's it. Okay. Now let us see, are there any more formulas left? Yes, one more is there. Suppose, yes, we are multiplying powers. Suppose I take one more example, the fourth one. You have 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 plus, suppose we have 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. Here we have different bases. Here we have different base but same power. The things are changed. Okay, let us see what answer will come by normal solution. By normal solving, we will get 2 power 3 is 8, 3 power 3 is 27, and when you solve this, you will get 8 sevens are 56, 8 to the 16 plus 5 plus 216. And we all know that 216 can also be written as 6 power 3. Class, we all know 216 can also be written as 6 power 3. So we can understand here that if powers are same, we can multiply the base. If powers are same, we can multiply the base. Are you able to understand this thing? These are just formulas. When you use it in the exercise, it will be easy for you. So we can say, if we have the formula a power m into b power m, what is the answer? Please tell. If you have a power m into b power m, here the exponents are same. So what will happen to the base? Please tell, what is the answer? It will be ab power m. Okay, it will be ab power m. So it looks very simple and it is not useful, but it is in some cases. Suppose you have 25 power 4 into 4 power 4. If you solve 25 power 4, it will be a, what you say, calculative process. But if you see the formula, you can make it very easy. How? You can write this as 25 into 4 whole power 4, and directly you can say the answer is 100 power 4. That is, it was very easy to solve like this. So these formulas are helping us. Yes, when you will solve the further exercises, these formula will come handy in that case. I am taking a lot of time to explain these formulas with examples so that when you solve the questions in exercise, it will be easy for you. So we have taken 4 as common. Yes, beta, we have taken the power 4 as common. Yes, let us see, is there any other formula left? I think we have covered all the formulas. Now we just need to solve the questions. Okay. So suppose I take an example, but I want that in these holidays you all must solve the questions because they are very easy. Suppose we take an example. So please repeat the common one again. Okay, one second. Ryan, I was saying if you have same basis, suppose you have um, you have 20 power 5 into you have suppose 5 power 5. In this case, what we can observe is the bases are different. The bases are different and the exponents are same. Exponents are same. So what we can do is instead of solving 20 power 5 first, instead of solving 5 power 5 first, we can directly say it is 20 into 5 whole power 5. You can check, Ryan, you can solve these individually and multiply, and you can solve this separately. You will get the same answer. Okay, Ryan. Now, the next one, the example we were taking, suppose you have a question 12 power 4 into 9 power 3 into 4 upon 6 power 3 into 8 power 2 into 27. Yes, beta. Class, one thing, there are many ways to solve the question, but I prefer writing everything. I prefer writing everything as prime numbers. I prefer this thing. And I want you people also to, if possible, you should go for it. If not possible, it is fine. So first of all, I can write 12 as 3 into 4. Class, is this correct? Is this correct to write? Okay, I can write 9 as 3 into 3 whole power 3. Is this correct? I can write 4 as 2 power 2. Any problem? Okay. Okay, the last formula I forgot to write. Class, just like this one that we have done, if you have same base, different bases getting divided like this with same powers, it becomes a upon b power m. Okay. Now let us come to this one. Sir, how you wrote 12 as exponent? Where? One second. Yes, I have just written 12 as, sorry, this is wrong. It is not complete. One second. It should be 3 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 2 into 2. Now it is correct. I am just writing every number as prime numbers. So 6 can be written as, let's see, 3 into 2 power 3. Is it correct to write like this? Please tell. Is it correct to write 6 as this? No, it is not correct because the power 3 was of 6, but I have not put the bracket, so it is now correct. Okay, then we have 8 power 2. 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power 2. And finally we have 3 power 3. So class, you can observe what I have done. I have written every number in terms of prime factors. And now I will simplify it one by one. Please tell how we can write this one. We have studied this thing. It can be written as 3 power 4 into 2 power 4. Yes, I'm writing the expansion form so that it is easy for you. Class, any problem in this one? Can we write like this? If I see the power is 4 of whole thing, if we distribute it, it can be written like this. Okay. Similarly, we can write 3 power 3 into 3 power 3 plus, similarly, we can write, time is less, but still let me complete this, 3 power 3 into 3 power 3. Then we can write 2 power 2 into 2, sorry, it is correct, 2 power 2 only. Here we have 3 power 3 into 2 power 3. Then we have class power of power. We have learned the formula. Mokshita, it is not confusing. Just try once when you are free. Watch the lecture again. It will be very easy. Power of power gets multiplied. It becomes 6 into 3 power 3. Now, we have studied when there are same bases, power will add. Class, we have studied when there are same bases, power will add. So we will have 3 power 4 plus 3 plus 3. Similarly, 1, 2, 3 into 2 power 4 plus 4 plus 2. What I have done? I have seen the same base and I have added the powers. In the denominator, we have 3 power 3, 3 power 3. Powers will add, and then we have 2 power 3, 2 power 6. Power will add 3 plus 6. And finally, we will get the answer as 3 power 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10 into 2 power 10 upon 3 power 6 into 2 power 9. I know it is confusing. Actually, this way is what you say looking very large. You can solve by other way also, but this one will make sure the tough questions are done easily. Okay, so the answer will be 3 power 10 minus 6 because they are same bases getting divided, and here also same basis getting divided, so answer is 2 power 10 minus 9. The answer is 3 power 4 into 2 power 1. So you can say the final answer is 81 into 2, and that is 162. Sir, in this just we have to learn the laws. Okay, I am just using the laws. Now take your time. I am closing the class now. In the what you say, when you are free today, just watch the lecture again. Try to learn the formulas, and it will be very easy for you. Only concept I have used is I am trying to write. I am trying to write every number as prime. That's it. Daksh, trust me. If you want, if you watch it again, it will be easy for you. Rishi, don't worry, it will be easy. Just try once. If any issue, I will discuss it again. Okay. Now I'm stopping the recording.